Alright, so boom. Everybody got their own way of saying how they moisturize, what they use. So I'm gonna show y'all my 3 products that I use outside of the View. So basically, after I use these treatments right here, or these products, excuse me, I throw in the View after, of course, because the View is my main go-to when it comes to my regular pomade to put in my hair, to make sure that I'm straight, my regular cream, you know what I'm saying? These are the extra products that I use to, you feel me, do my version for my texture and quality for my standard of my hair. So everybody else gonna do what they wanna do, I'm gonna do what I wanna do. Simple. Anyway, so boom. First up, Hollywood Beauty coconut oil. Hollywood Beauty coconut oil. Bow, bow, bow. I'm Jamaican. Do not forget that. I'm Jamaican and I'm Guyanese. Yes. Lavender. Second one. Coconut oil, castor oil. Lastly, just mango, sorbet. And then I'm gonna show y'all the steps to what we do. Alright? Pete, watch this. Alright, boom, we back, right? So now I'm gonna take everything out. I got my gloves on because I'm about to be mixing up all my stuff and everything like that. So boom. Take it out the pot, take it out the water. Y'all see what's going on, y'all see what's going on, y'all see what's going on. So we take it out the water, right? Boom. All out, all out. Put that down. Told y'all, it's gonna make a big difference, right? That, castor, out. Y'all can see it, so y'all know which one to get. Then, mango. All right, boom. So normally, what I do is now, I'm gonna turn off my stove. What I do is basically, I have something for everything. Like I mix everything in something. I have bowls, everything's designed, organized, everything. So y'all gonna see my little setup kit. So boom, it's my mixer bowl. Only for my hair. This is for my hot oil treatment. So y'all see what's going on. Boom, 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 boom. What I do is take the hot oil. Now, the consistency is a little watery, see that? Because you heated it up. Throw that in, bow, 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 bow. Couple drops of that. Boom, so I can show y'all. And it's still hot. So as it's still being hot, you know what I'm saying? You see the bow. You can see, you know what I'm saying? You can see. Take the castor oil. The castor oil now definitely is what gives you some more hair growth too on top of anything. Like, do your research. Castor oil. Castor oil. I got the lavender because, you know, the girls just spit on my hair and everything like that. Boom. Lavender. Boom. Throw that in there. I'm going to show y'all. Don't worry. I'm going to show y'all. Probably can hear it. Throw it in there. Boom. Because the consistency changes, of course, when you heat things up. You know, I went to school in science. Boom. Right? Bam. Mix that up right there too. Boom. So now you see the color change, but you have the castor oil in there as well. Wow. Mixing it up. I'll put that down. I can still see me. Lastly, got the mango. Again. Consistency changes. It looks like jello in there, right? Well, look. Well, I don't want to drop it on the phone, but see that? Consistency change. So we're gonna add that in too. Boom. The hot oil mix up. Boom. So now, pardon that. So now y'all see consistency. This is my hot oil treatment. I'm showing y'all what's going on. So we're just gonna mix that up. Mix that up. Again, smells good, smells fire. And the hair's always gonna be smelling like pressure. We ain't even add in the View yet, so don't worry about it, trust me. Girls are gonna go, ooh, daddy. But hold on, so now, mixing this up, and we're gonna add in. So after this, I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna wet my hair, detangle it, and then we're gonna add in the hot oil treatment, feel me? So stay tuned. Boom. View. Add the View, you know what to do. Add the View, you know what to do. Add the View, you know what to do. I had it in my bag because it was sweating or whatever, so it don't matter though. Y'all know what it is by now. Come on, y'all know what it is by now. Anyways. Get you that View, baby. Actually, at this point in this process, in a hot oil process, when you do that, you do not need a lot of diffuse. Why? Because you just added a lot of moisture. Look at my hair. Look, boom. Wow. And again, it smells good. Like, boom. Boom. You don't need a lot. You don't need a lot. You don't need a lot. That's it. Wow. What's the final step? Brush. Lay it down. Lay it down. Lay it down. Lay it down. Alright, boom. Brush. Last brush. Let's look. See? And again, do not worry about that. Come on, my real babies know. You're gonna see it. It's excess, man. When you do your own washing style, when you lather, you got excess. And what do? You get the excess and you put it right back in. So relax. Oh, you got mad around his hair. And what? And what? And what? We black. What do we measure? We don't even measure Kool-Aid. So what are we really talking about right now? Right. Keep on it. We don't measure nothing. Unless we baking. And we ain't baking right now. I mean, we are baking, though. We're not, but different type of baking. You know what I'm trying to say. Because you can't bake the waves. You gotta make them, what? Probably get a cut at the end of the week just to show off. But come on, y'all know what y'all already seen what I do, how it comes out when I do the cuts, man. After the woofing and everything. So come on, you know what I'm saying? Don't gotta do too much. Boom, and we done. Like a real one. Boom. Put with them gloves. Bow. With your little TP, little bow. Just wipe off the excess. Just wipe off the excess, everybody gonna question the excess. Just wipe it off. Just wipe it off. Just wipe it off, boom. Just tap, tap. Tap, tap. Tap, tap. Look, tap. Go on, tap. Go on, wipe. Bow, go on. Go on, boom. Boom. We lay it down. I want y'all to know this do-rag. I've had this do-rag like over 5 years. This do-rag has been around the world with me twice. This one do-rag. It's like my go-to, one of my go-to. I got like 2 go-to do-rags. This is the first one, and my blue, no, I got 3. But this right here, my first one. First go-to every time. This is, yeah. The do-rag actually was a gift. Again, I always tell y'all, I like stuff different, I'm always different. One. Yeah. Right there, just like that. Put it in. I might learn something. Stuck that on the side. Simple. Bing, bang, boom. And we done. I'm out. Y'all be good, man. I have to wake up, see the weather outside, check on my little man. So, just unravel so you're gonna see. It's gonna look pressed down. It might look like you can't see, but use the vision because again, I've been woofing for weeks. So if you can't really see it, because I see exactly what I need to see. Everything is in the direction of my wave pattern. And I want y'all to understand and see from the top going down, you can see the overlap, but I should have moved my line up a little bit more. Anyways, you see everything's in the pattern, direction of where it needs to go. Let me get in there. So, just want to show y'all the final results. I do this, yeah, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. I gotta go to the barber, we know. Ha ha, kiki, it's cool, don't care. But yeah, so everything is exactly where we needed to be in my whipping prep journey. Definitely where I wanted to be. So, like I said, when you're using a view, right? Wash instead. Wash instead. Shampoo, conditioner. Yeah, see. So I'm giving it to y'all raw. You feel me? That's what I'm really doing. I'm giving it to y'all raw so I can see what really happens and how this process really goes. Like, cause I ain't wanna keep giving it to y'all the whole pretty way, you alright? So I'm giving it to y'all the thugger way, the raw way. So now, next time, my next step, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give y'all all my tricks until the cut. So next, what I wanna be doing is I'm gonna hit you with a hot oil treatment. When I do the hot oil treatment, something a little different, you feel me? Give it that smoothness, that softness, and that moisture. Hope y'all can hear that word. Moisture, so that we could look A1. But y'all know what to do, man. Y'all know who to follow, you know who to do it to. It's the view, the one and only, man. Stay tuned, get rid of it, don't get lost, you heard? Stay safe, y'all. Bad.